Good afternoon, students. Okay. What do you mean by art? Yes, art can be painting, sculpture, architecture, and drawing. Okay, very good. So, all these are art forms. But isn't performing anything is art also? Yes, it is also an art form, isn't it? Yes. Performing arts refers to the forms of art in which the artist use their voices and bodies to convey artistic expressions. Okay? Their performing arts includes wider range of specialisms including acting, dance, voice, music and video. Yes. So now you can watch a video showing different cultural art forms of Kerala and watch carefully, as after watching I will ask you questions.
Kerala has a vibrant tradition of classical arts spanning over 1,000 years. These long-standing traditions arose from man's desire to influence and interact with the subtle forces of nature. This led to an inexhaustible repertoire of art forms, including classical arts, ritual arts, folk arts, tribal arts, and even martial arts, all reflecting Kerala's unique history, customs, and beliefs. The following are some of the prominent art forms of Kerala. The classical Christian art form of Kerala, the musical drama Chavattanadagam is believed to have originated in central Kerala. While adopting features of a typical drama, Chavattanadagam, meaning stamping drama, distinguishes itself through its rhythmic dance movements that dictate the pace of the performance. Its origins have been traced back to the 16th century amidst the presence of the Portuguese in Kerala. The musical drama is characterized by its distinctive Greco-Roman costumes that stand out amidst the rustic Kerala backdrop. The songs and dialogues are delivered in a colloquial blend of Tamil and Malayalam. The actors have elaborate makeup, ornate costumes, and extravagant gestures. Margam Kali is a classical Christian dance form popular among the Syrian Christian community of Kerala. It is a dance that lauds the evangelical activities of Saint Thomas the Apostle. In this dance, a group of female performers move rhythmically around a lighted brass wick lamp. The traditional purpose of Margam Kali was to propagate Christianity in Kerala.
Okay, so I think you have watched the video clearly. Okay, so what were the two Christian art forms that you have seen in the video? Yes, it was Chavattanadagam and Margam Kali. Okay, very good. So today we are going to discuss about Margam Kali. Okay, we are going to discuss about Margam Kali. So now I am going to give you another video based on rich history and foundation of Margam Kali. So we can watch the video and wait for my questions.
നാലാം നൂറ്റാണ്ടിൽ സിറിയൻ കത്തോലിക്കർ തങ്ങളുടെ മാർഗം സ്വീകരിച്ചതിൻ്റെ ഓർമ്മകൾ അയവിറക്കിക്കൊണ്ട് പുരുഷന്മാർ പാടിക്കളിച്ചിരുന്ന നൃത്തം ചെയ്തിരുന്നൊരു നൃത്തരൂപമാണ് മാർഗംകളി. കാലാന്തരത്തിൽ അത് വാലും ഞെട്ടിട്ടുള്ള തലയിൽ കെട്ടും കസവ് മുണ്ടും ചുവന്ന അരപ്പട്ടയും ധരിച്ചുകൊണ്ടാണ് പുരുഷന്മാർ കളിച്ചിരുന്നത്. ഇത് 19-ാം നൂറ്റാണ്ടിൻ്റെ ഉത്തരാർദ്ധം വരെ ഇത് പുരുഷന്മാരാണ് കളിച്ചിരുന്നത്. അത് പ്രത്യേകിച്ചും ക്നാനായ സമുദായക്കാരാണ് ഇത് കളിച്ചിരുന്നത്. കോട്ടയത്ത് ഇത് ക്നാനായ സമുദായത്തിലാണ് ഇത് കൂടുതലായിട്ടും വേരുറച്ചിരുന്നത്. അതേസമയം യാക്കോബായ സുറിയാനി സമൂഹത്തിൻ്റെ ഇടയിൽ 30%, 70% ക്നാനായ സമുദായത്തിൻ്റെ ഇടയിലുമാണ് ഇതുണ്ടായിരുന്നതെന്നാണ് മാർഗം കളിയെക്കുറിച്ച് ഗവേഷണം നടത്തിയ എൻ്റെ ഗുരുനാഥൻ കൂടിയായിട്ടുള്ള നാടൻ കലാചാര്യനായ ഡോക്ടർ ചുമ്മാർ ചുണ്ടൽ സെൻറ് തോമസ് കോളേജിലെ മലയാള വിഭാഗത്തിൻ്റെ തലവനായിരുന്ന അദ്ദേഹം ഗവേഷണത്തിൽ നിന്ന് കണ്ടെത്തിയത്.
I think you have seen the video. So it's time for our questions. So my first question: in which century did Margangali originate? Anybody? Yes, it is correct. Margangali was originated in 4th century. Okay. So my next question: which sect among the Christians started the Margangali practice? Anybody? Yes, it was the Knanaya Christians. Okay, so now let's go detail to the Margangali. So the origin of Margangali is assumed to be have originated in the late 4th century, and this custom was carried away down through these ages by the Knanaya Christians. The Margangali is traced back to how in the old Jewish wedding songs, and the style that we see today is being adopted to Sangam Kali of the Hindu religion. This dance retells the story and life and missionary works of Saint Thomas the Apostle. It was originated in 4th century and followed by Christians. Okay, so next I will show you a PowerPoint presentation based on costumes and makeup of Margangali. So clearly watch the video and wait for my questions.
As we know, Margangali is a traditional art. Both men and women wear traditional dresses such as dhoti, headgear, a red silk around the waist, and by females they wear chatta, mundu, kavani and mekka modiram along with bangles on hand and ankles. So this is the traditional costumes that we have seen in Margangali.
So I think you have watched the PowerPoint presentation carefully. So now it's time for the questions. So my first question: what are the traditional wears of Margangali? Anybody? Yes. Dhoti, red silk, designed headgear, chatta and mundu. Yes, these are the common dresses that are used for like Margangali. Okay, my second question: name any ornament that you have seen in the PowerPoint presentation. Anybody? Yes, Mekka Modiram is one of the ornament that is used to wear in Margangali. Okay, so let's go into the details. So men wear dhoti, headgear and a red silk cloth around their hip, and the women wear the traditional attire consisting of chatta, munda, mekka modiram and bangles on both hands and ankles. Okay, so we have seen that they are wearing the traditional attires. Okay, so traditional wears. So I think you got a clear idea about the history and the costumes used in Margangali. So now I will give you another PowerPoint presentation based on the peculiarities of lyrics of Margangali. So you have to watch the PowerPoint presentation carefully, and I will ask questions about it after it.
As you can see, song of Margangali is called Margangalipattu, and it is starting with a Vandana Ganam. And after this Vandana Ganam, there are almost 14 stanzas or 14 padams, and commonly we only sing 2 padams at a time. And this is the basics of lyrics in Margangali.
Okay, so now I think you have clearly watched the PowerPoint presentation. So now it's time for asking questions. So my first question is, give the common name given to the song stanzas of Margankali. Anybody? Yes, it is known as padams. Okay, my second question is, how many number of padams are present in the Margankali? Anybody? It was a good effort, but it is not 12, it is 14 in numbers. Okay, so there are 14 stanzas or padams in Margankali. Okay, now let's move on to the details of Margankali. Commonly, a dozen or half dancers dance clapping their hands around the lampstand, or in common language, the Nilavalakku. The lamp represents Jesus Christ, and the performers are the symbols for disciples. The performance is usually held in two parts or padams, or we can say the performance is strictly based on two padams of Margankali. Common name that are given to the stanzas are the padams. So, padams. I will give you a PowerPoint presentation based on the instruments that are used in Margankali. So, you have to carefully observe the PowerPoint presentation and you can expect question based on it.
Margankali does not use many instruments, but it just uses two palm-sized cymbals, which is used by the same person who sings the Margankali song.
I think you have clearly seen the PowerPoint presentation based on instruments of Margankali. So here is my question. Which is the main instrument that is used in Margankali? Anybody? Yes, they are palm cymbals. Okay, so now we can go to the details of instruments used in Margankali. So Margankali does not use too many instruments other than two palm cymbals. This is played by the exact same person who sings the song or the padams. Okay, so it was originally played by men and afterwards by the small boys. And nowadays, as we can see, there are many women groups which plays Margankali using these techniques. So, as we see, the main instrument that is used in Margankali is cymbals. Oh, I think you got an idea about the Margankali and its features. So, to ensure this, now I am going to ask you some questions. So, are you all ready? Okay. So, here is my first question. What is the instrument used in Margankali? Yes, it is the hand cymbals. Okay. So, my second question. Name any ornament that is used in Margankali. Anybody? Yes, Mekka Modiram. Okay, right. So, my third question. How many padams are there in Margankali? Yes, it is 14 padams. Okay, that's the correct answer. Okay, my fourth question is, who started the Margankali practice? Okay, yes, it is right. It is Nanaya Christians. Okay, my fifth and last question is, in which century did the Margankali was invented? From the last bench? Okay, it is right. Give him a clap. That is the 4th century. Okay, so now we can consolidate this chapter. The origin of Margankali is assumed to be have originated in 4th century AD, and this custom was carried away from those century to till now by the Nanaya Christians community. Okay, so Margankali is traced to be old enough from Jewish wedding songs, and it have evolved and adapted the styles of Sangangali of the Hindu community. Okay, the dance retells the life of St. Thomas the Apostle and his missionary works in Kerala and Tamil Nadu. So, now regarding the costume and makeup. Men wear dhoti, a headgear, and a red silk cloth around their hip. And the women wear the traditional attire or the dresses consisting of chatta and mundu, along with mekamodaram and bangles on both hands and ankles. And on regarding the lyrics of Margankali, commonly a dozen or a half dozen of dancers dance clapping around their hands around a lampstand or nilavalakku. The lamp represents Christ and the performers represent his disciples. The performance is usually held in two parts or padams, which are the lyrics. Okay, so now regarding the instruments. So Margankali does not use many instruments, but Margankali uses two palm-sized cymbals, and it is played by the exact same person who sings the song. So it was originally played by men in the olden days, and it was followed by the use of young boys, and now these days Margankali is also performed by women. So that is the end of the topic. So now I am going to give you two homeworks. Okay, so note it down in your book. So my first question is, find out three local art forms of Kerala. Have you written? Right? Any three local art forms of Kerala. So my second question, find out any 6 local art forms of India. So my second question is, find out any 6 local art forms of India. Thank you.